Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Gagan Thakur and you are watching a series on Dialogflow Essentials. So in this video, we are going to talk about integrations. Okay, so we saw that how can we create the chatbot, and we also tested it using the try window. But now if you want to integrate this to a website or to some third party, how can you do that? So for that, you simply need to go to integrations, and now in the integrations, if you scroll down, you'll see multiple options like web demo, web flow messenger, message from Facebook. So you are able to, you can actually integrate this with so many platforms out here. Twilio IP messaging, Twilio text messaging. So basically you can integrate it with the SMS as well. So people will send SMS and they will get the response from the chatbot. So you don't need to make any changes to the chatbot, and still the same chatbot will work with all these third party integrations. Okay, so that's the beauty. So we are going to talk about how exactly we can put it on the website. Okay, so for that you will click on the web demo. Okay, and then it will give you this iframe. You can copy this. It also gives you a warning. Okay, now if you click here, it will tell you that this is you don't have a description, and it still have this default icon. So if you want to change it, okay, you can actually change it to the, it's called avatar. So you can actually change it, and also you can give a description like bot to order pizza. Okay, so this is the description I'm giving, and we should be able to change this also. I mean, this in the define URI to agent avatar that will be used in web demo and hangout chats. Okay, so let me click here, and Dialogflow web demo. Ideally it should be here, but I believe this is the one. I need to give the URL of the image, and that's how it take it. But anyways, I'll just save it. Okay, so I just give a description for now, because we were getting that warning, and I okay, and I am getting some errors, so let it be. We'll go back to integration. Okay, let me try one more time. Save. Nope, doesn't seems to be working. Anyways, we'll go to integration. We'll say okay. Now here I will go to web demo, and you need to enable this guy here. You need to just copy this. Now what I'm going to do here is oh, it's because of my internet. Somehow my internet doesn't seems to be working. Connect. So sorry for this glitch. Let's see if it works, and that's why we were getting that error message. So the internet is back. So I will again go here, and I will give the name a bot to order pizza. Okay, and then I'll say save. I believe it's saving. Okay, it's saved now. We'll go back to integration. We'll go back to web demo. From here you can simply copy this. Now if you have a website, you can put this on the website, but for now what we are doing is we are simply creating an HTML page. Okay, so this is the HTML page. The title I've given is pizza button. I just copy pasted this iframe that we copied from there. Okay, and I will save this again here, and let's actually check this out. So there you go. So this is the local file, and this is how you can integrate on the website. So if you have a website already, you can do that. Now let's test it. I'll say hi, and hi, my name is pizzabot. I'm here to help you with your pizza order. Awesome. So I want a large pizza with cheese and chicken. Okay, please provide crust regular or thin. I'll say thin crust. You ordered large thin crust with cheese and chicken. Is that correct? I'll say yes. Now if you see, it actually fetches the response that we wrote in the fulfillment. Your total bill is this. Can I have your name and phone number? So I'll just give my name. Okay, please provide your phone number. I'll give 666 777 1234. And awesome, Gagan, your pizza will be ready in 30 minutes. So now it is integrated in the website, right? So this is how you can do it. And so that's it for this video. Thank you guys.